Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate stop loss orders in Gemini mobile app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Gemini mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to your portfolio. Select the cryptocurrency asset for which you want to set a stop loss order. Tap on the asset to view its details. Look for the option that says trade or sell. Choose sell to proceed with the selling options. Scroll down until you find the order types section. Select stop loss from the list of order types. Enter the price at which you want the stop loss to trigger. Specify the amount of the asset you wish to sell if the stop loss is activated. Review the details of your stop loss order carefully. Confirm your stop loss order by tapping on the Submit or Confirm button. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification indicating that your stop loss order is active. You can view and manage your active stop loss orders in the Orders section of the app. Make sure to check your order status regularly to ensure everything is as planned. And that's it. You have successfully activated a stop loss order in the Gemini mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.